This particular reservoir comes apart with the light being separate because it's a cold cathode, which comes apart from the block here and then also comes apart here. So you just simply pull by the end of the wire here close to the reservoir and it will come right out. Set that aside. Then hold the bottom part and the top part and unscrew. And depending on which side comes free first, you'll loosen that side first. And then in my case, the bottom came free. Remove the bottom cap. There is a O-ring around the bottom of the helix where it goes and inserts inside of the bottom cap. Simply pull the helix out, set aside. Make sure you keep the O-ring that comes with it that was on the end of the tube off. Then you can pull the inner tube with a slight twist. It will pop free with the O-ring on the end. Then grab the other end and grab the plexi and unscrew from the other side. And plexi is now free from the cap, so you can set the plexi aside. Or the plastic pieces rotate on the inside of the caps. So in order to get the plastic out, you just push. And as you can see, there's an O-ring on the bottom here where it would attach to the plexi. So there's an O-ring on the bottom here, which is in good shape. And there's the cap. And that's the same with this side. This side is a little bit thinner. Just give it a kind of wiggles out of there. And as you can see, there's also another O-ring around that one. And there's the cap. To reassemble, pick one side to start with. In this case, we'll start with the bottom. Drop the plastic into the metal piece and push it through until it becomes flush. Make sure the O-ring continues to stay seated. Then, take the cathode tube and slide an O-ring over the top, about yay deep. Push the cathode tube into the bottom until the bottom is flush with the plastic. Push your O-ring down flush, then take your tube and thread it in. Make sure you give it a good twist to make sure it's tight. It looks good. Then take the helix, slide the helix back into the reservoir. Then take the remaining plastic and mount into the cup. This little plug is just for the top part of the cathode here. So you can actually put the plastic back into the cup, then take the cup, screw it back onto the reservoir, which is, make sure you don't forget your O-ring. Put the O-ring on there, Then put the reservoir in the hole. There we go. And then, if you can, as best as you can, hold the plastic on the inside and tighten it rather than the cup. And then use the cup to finish it off. Make sure you use your cap and plug the one end. And then insert your cathode into the other. And there you are. Back in working condition.